world constantly chasing light, we learned how to shape it.
There was a time when a window was simply glass, and a blind was just fabric on a roller. But over the decades, materials changed, demands changed, and quietly, in the background, a revolution was woven. This is the story of sunscreen fabric, a story told in threads, pigments that respond to light, yarns engineered to alter the sun's rays. There are many screens on the market today, but Tribute does what others do not. We take screens to another level, bringing you the latest technological advancements in screens. This is the tale of 4 screens, or better known as the tale of the Fab 4 fabrics, from weaving to window. When TWC receives the woven screen fabrics from our weavers, they're not just materials, they're a story in progress. We cut them for sample, we test, and we compare. And this is how they look in our books. Every shade has a purpose, every weave an intention. From blocking glare in a sun-drenched office, to creating the truest views without compromise. From weaver's loom to your living room. Tribute window coverings, crafted for comfort, designed to control light.
Here comes the sun and I say